last day, full day in New Zealand, our last day snowboarding at Cardrona. Niels and me are picking us up in half an hour. So we're just getting ready now. Sad to say goodbye, but happy to have it been done. Happy that it's been done. Happy it's over.
Happy it's over.
Sad it's ending. Sad it's over. Don't be sad that it's over. Be happy that it happened. We're not sad that it's action. We're not sad that it's over, but we are now happy. You know what I mean. Anyway, yeah, I had a really good time. Did you come and join? What was your favorite highlight? Go.
Snowboarding.
Pretty generic. Of you?
What's your highlight?
My highlight had to be, as cheesy as it sounds, just like hanging out with friends.
Even just chilling around that other house.
Yeah.
And the wine tasting.
Boys being boys is what I would say.
Like the wine tasting as well. That was.
But the boys being boys.
Yeah, boys being boys.
No, yeah. Wine tasting's really cool.
Boys.
Yeah. Thanks for watching my vlogs. This is the end of. No, it's not. Let's go snowboard.
Apparently it's forecast for 14 centimeters snow today.
That's the most snow we've had. Really? Jordan's brought his sunglasses. Snowboarding. I just don't. Just look. Like why? Why are you wearing sunglasses snowboarding? It's not even sunny, dude.
It's sunny outside and it's pretty glary.
It's not. It's not. I'm not glared up, dude. Is that them?
Yeah.
Hi, Mia. How are we enjoying New Zealand? Welcome to my mother tongue, my mother language, welcome to my mother country. Okay. Very cool car, Nielsy.
That's wooden fucking Jap shit.
Guys, do you know how to speak Japanese yet?
Yeah, what's this? FM.
Yo! Oh my god.
Yo, you're a Jap boy?
Speak Japanese, baby.
What's this shit?
What the fuck? Oh, fuck. I told you it was a transformer, dude. Turns into a fucking transformer. I told you, bro. What does that do? How's your flight, Mia?
Oh shit.
To all 2 hours of it?
Absolutely shit. There was a baby crying and there was a kid next to me that would like jump all over my chair. How's everyone's trip here? Your place looks bougie as fuck.
Yeah.
What is it?
Five.
Have you been to New Zealand before? First timers.
It's a nice inside corner there, Niels. Safe
Alright,
side. Maybe it thinks we're in Japan.
Oh.
Alright, we'll turn left in 150 meters. Make a U-turn.
No, Mia!
No, sorry, this guy.
Oh, overtake.
Well, that goes right and each little jump I hit, I go back a lip. Whoop. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you're right. So stressed out.
So fine.
Hey.
Mine's even worse.
Hey, Niels' shoes.
Nah. Lean on me. Go. First run of the season. Let's go. Hey, yo.
I really need you with me. It's so lonely in this city. If you never knew what you wanted, how could you know just what you're missing? What you're missing?
See you guys. Have a good day, guys.
What you're
We got Cardrona
missing?
for our last day, but it is very, very, very foggy. You can't see like any 5 meters in front of you, so it's fun. I'm not gonna say it's not, but we'd rather the sun. It's a good saying.
Yeah, I'm dreaming that you're with me, but you're gone, I'm so alone now. Hating the situation, I'm too tired of facing the feeling I'm craving. This life is amazing, but something is missing. And don't call me crazy, but I feel like living way up in the stars.
It's not just a bit. It's really pretty. Wow, it's up to the thing. Snowing a lot right now. Very, very pretty. Wow. C'est magnifique. Ouais. Dude, sound like it is.
Why do you like peace signs?
Jordan always throws them up. We're going home now, but it's very, 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 very snowy. Like, it's insane.
I'll be thinking of you while I stay.
Oh, this is insane. This is insane. Are they fight for it? You look hot, Niels. Oh my god.
How the f are they still upright?
They just ran that close.
That's not. That's.
They would be coming down.
Imagine.
They didn't have holes.
Imagine trying to get out of that car, man.
Oh, you'd be terrified.
That's insane, man.
That's the bigger thing.
Yeah. I'd love a feature.
Oh, wait, I spent about 6 hours. Yeah, can do.
That's great. That's great.
Your cheese.
How big's that pizza, Jordan? No, how big?
Medium. Says medium.
How big is this boy? No, how big? Like, wow, how big is it?
Your arms.
Whoa, how big is it? You mean like it's like a whoa? Right? Bye everyone. See you in like 2 months. Had a nice dinner. Just said goodbye to them. We're walking home now. It's very cold. It's like a 20-minute walk, so it's not gonna be fun. But let's just do it. Just freaking do it. We are heading into town on our last day. Jordan's just broken his knee. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. It's sad to be leaving, but we're gonna go into town, buy presents for all our loved ones. I'm not sure if I've said this in the vlog, but this is such a cute town. Everything about it is just adorable. Very adorable.
What? The
This
town.
town. Beautiful.
So cute.
So cute. About to get into our plane. Great trip. Absolutely loved it. It's very cold right now, but you know what? I'm happy to be going home. I'm not happy that it's over. I'm happy that it's done. I'm happy that I'm not be sad that it. Okay. I really hope you enjoyed the vlogs. Let's go on to the next trip.